Jai Srimannarayana. 12th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Moghasaha Moghakarmano Moghajnana Vichetasaha Rakshasim Asurim Chaiva Prakrutim Mohinim Sritaha Om. Take it as a serious note. If you disregard Sri Krishna Paramatma's supreme compassion, if you fail to recognize yourself as a belonging of Sri Krishna Paramatma, all your efforts will go in vain. Do not do that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now, within your bhavana, you should respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma with all these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not disregard your highly supreme compassion. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not fail to recognize myself as your belonging. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano Virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 88th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanakandadar Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chinni Krishna, that child Krishna, hit the cart with his delicate feet, and that cart broke into pieces and scattered everywhere. Yashoda and all the elders were shocked and wondering why it has happened, how it has happened. Maybe it is one of the demons' work, or they are thinking that maybe it is one of the Dushta Grahas work. Like that, when they were thinking and talking about it, all the children who were there, they were saying that, no, this is definitely this child Krishna's work. He did that. Balakaha rudata anena padena kshiptam etat nasamsayaha. The children were saying to elders like this is definitely this Balakrishna has done. There is no doubt in that. While he is crying, he hit the cart with his feet, and then this cart broke into pieces. There is no doubt. Like that, they were saying, but all the elders, because they don't know that Balakrishna is Sakshat Aprameyam Balam Tasya Balakasya Nate Viduhu, because they don't know that Balakrishna is Sakshat Sriman Narayana, and this Balakrishna has such an extreme amount of power, valor and mysterious powers. Because they don't know all about this, they were not believing these children's words, and they were thinking like this. బాలుండెక్కడ బండి ఎక్కడ నభో భాగంబుపై చేట్పడన్ కాళంతన్నుట ఎక్కడన్ ఏలన్ పడుచుల్ కల్లలాడిరి. This is such a huge destruction of this cart. Seeing this very child Krishna, how come this child Krishna would do this? And how come this child Krishna would hit this cart? How come this child Krishna, by hitting this, made this cart broke into pieces? No, this is definitely, these children are lying. Like that, elders were thinking. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 12th sloka. Moghasha mogha karmano mogha jnana vichetasaha rakshasi masurin chaiva prakrutim mohinim shritaha. Moghasa mogha karmano mogha jnana vichetasaha rakshasi masurin chaiva prakrutim mohinim shritaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.